Merry Christmas, guys! So today is Christmas Day, December 25th, and I'm filming this part of the video to show you guys how I achieved these red box braids. I've actually, braided my hair like a week ago, literally last Monday, so don't at me, but I thought I would film the intro today. Today is literally Christmas, so I hope if you guys don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays in general, happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah, or just happy, holiday season. I don't know. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved these box braids. They're about this long, so they're not super long. They're really around shoulder length. I didn't want super long braids this time because I'm actually going out of the country to South Africa in a week, so I was like, I don't want to have like super heavy, super long braids. And also I was going back and forth on whether or not I should do bob braids, so I may cut these into bobs like a little later, but as of right now they're just like your average normal medium length braids. I actually braided it with a middle part, but now my hair is loose enough to the point where I can sort of do side parts, which is really nice. So yeah, so I hope you guys, like the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions mean so much to me. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. So yeah, let's get into this video and you guys can see my process.
Okay guys, so this is me untwisting my hair. So I had my hair in twist for about a week before I did the braids. I had washed it, conditioned it, tangled it, and just twisted it up because I didn't know when I was going to get the hair. I had ordered the hair online and I just wasn't sure. So I was like, let me just twist up my hair before, because I was like trying not to do my hair. But so my hair is like slightly stretched, as you can see. It's not like super shrunken, but it's not like blow dried, but it's really detangled. And as you see, I'm just taking out the twists one by one, separating the twists, and then going in with a wide tooth comb and just like combing it out to make sure that my hair is as detangled as possible. When you're doing braids, or really any style, but especially protective styles, like you want your hair to be super detangled so that there aren't any knots, so that things are nice and protected and your hair is going to be healthy. So yeah. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like, completely taken out of the twist and combed out. As you can see, this is just like a normal afro looking hair. It's actually really detangled and really soft, which I really liked, and the twists really help preserve some of that moisture. So here I've already started braiding my hair. As you can see in the back, I did maybe 2 rows or so. But I wanted to show you guys how I teased out the hair. So I just got the hair out of the pack and I cut the hair in half. So the hair was shorter and twice as much. And then I go in with my pointer finger and my thumb finger and just take small pieces of the hair and stretch it out, because you want the ends of the hair to not be blunt. You want them to be tapered so that the braid naturally gets smaller and thinner at the end. And it also elongates the hair too, so it makes the hair a little longer. And then I'm just turning it over on the other side and doing the same thing, trying to make sure that everything is nice and tapered. And as you can see, it's no longer blunt. It looks like, tapered ends, which is what you want. So that's just how I prep the hair. Here I'm going in and showing you how I prep my natural hair. So what I did was I spritzed it with water, and then I spritzed it with some black castor oil to sort of lock in all that moisture and help with hair growth and shine. And then I used the beeswax, Murray's beeswax, as the styler. And you can see I'm just doing the method where I fold the synthetic hair in 2 and wrap it around the piece of my natural hair and use my hair as the 3rd piece of the braid. I think this is the easiest way to braid on yourself. I just don't have the time to be going through the whole 2/3 or whatever thing and then locking around. For me, I just never worked because of the way I positioned my hands. It's always a little harder. However, on other people, that method also works. I can do that method easier on other people than I can on myself. However, I do think that even still, this method is the easiest. The only problem is that you have to separate the hair. You have to use parts of the hair from the synthetic hair and add it to the part with your natural hair, so that the parts will be even in length, obviously, because your natural hair will be shorter than the rest of the hair. But I slowed this down to real time so you can see my process in doing so. I'd like to take hair from both sections of the synthetic hair so that the synthetic portions are even, because I hate when I only take hair from one section and then I braid down, and then that section that I took hair from is like super thin compared to the other two. And I did it really slow. I took my time, and then I braided it all the way down to the end of the hair, as far as I could possibly go, so that the hair wasn't super poofy at the end. And I think I'm going to show you guys one more. This is the last braid I have in my head. This whole process took me about 4 hours. And I didn't do the rubber band method, as you can see, just because I felt like it wasn't super necessary. Yet, like, yes, the braids are a little big, but they're not like jumbo. And I feel like, you know, it's fine. Plus, my grip has been getting better. But I'm just going in with the same process. Like I said, spritz my hair with a little water, added some black castor oil, and then use Marie's beeswax. And I'm just using the hair and wrapping, again, that synthetic hair around my own hair. And as you can see, I like to pull it real tight so it's close to the scalp. And then I just go in, holding it really tight. Like, you don't want to let go. Like, you want to hold it tight for at least the first 3 or 4 times you braid the hair, because it'll slip down your hair, because your hair will be softer, and then the synthetic hair is also smooth, so it's just going to slide right on out. But as you can see, it's pretty tight on my hair. It's gripping there, and the good thing about like the way how tight it was is that it didn't really hurt my scalp. I mean, I'm not temperature headed at all. Like, I can have pretty tight braids and pretty tight twists and not really be bothered. But even though the hair like was tight to my scalp, it didn't hurt. And I think that's because the sections were a little bigger than, like, these sections could have been easily smaller, like half the size if I really wanted to, with the same size braid. And I think that helped alleviate some of the tension by having the sections be a little bigger. But as you can see, I'm just going all the way down, and if you look, the braid, you know, my hair has seamlessly transitioned to the rest of the braid, and then I just braid all the way down. And it helped that the hair wasn't as long, which I think helped with the time. But yeah, so this is what my hair looks like, mostly done. My hair is like really soft and stuff, and again, like, it wasn't as stretched out as it could have been, so that's why my hair is a little poofy at the roots, but that doesn't really bother me. The braids are actually pretty secure. They probably don't look as secure as they were, but like tugging on the braids, like even now, like almost like a week and a half later, like, you know, my hair, you know what I mean, like it's actually tighter than it may look, just because my natural hair is just so soft and poofy that it likes to come out and just, like, you know, not follow directions. But this is the end product. This is what my hair looks like. This is the length. So yeah, I'm just like messing with the hair. At this point, it's a little too tight for me to put it in like a side part, just because, you know, the way you braid the hair is the way it likes to stay. This is me after I've did my hair, so I'm just like drying the hair with a towel. As you see, the ends are definitely like way more silkier. The hair's a little more movable, and I'm just like playing with it, seeing how it looks. I used red hair, which is my first time doing a head full of red hair. I think it turned out really great. I really like the length. Like, it's still long, definitely like past my armpits, but it's not like down my back, like to my waist, which I really like. And as you can see, I'm just going in with my scissors or my clippers and cutting off the excess hair that's sticking out from underneath the braids, just to give it a more finished look and more professional look. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. This is what the back looks like. The side, you know, is giving you all the angles. Let me know what you guys think about this style, if you like it or not. Thank you guys for watching.